Answered is activity. So the instruction here, from the bowl of numbers, pick a number and write them under the rational or irrational box. So bago natin masagutan ang activity na ito, dapat nating malaman sino ba yung rational numbers at irrational numbers. So pag sinabi nating rational numbers, from the word rational, ratio, so it can be expressed into fraction. So kung ang rational numbers pwedeng ma-express or ma-write into fraction, kabaliktaran naman ang irrational numbers. So rational numbers are in ratio form. So ang set of numbers na involved dito ay integers. And then meron tayong fractions. Then yung percentage natin at saka yung decimals. Pero tricky ang decimal, hindi lahat ng decimal ay rational numbers. So may decimal na irrational. Ano-ano ba yung mga decimal na irrational? Ito yung non-repeating and non-terminating fractions. So ito yung kapag radicals, sila yung mga hindi perfect square at hindi perfect cube. Basta hindi siya ma-extract. Okay, so let's start. So unahin natin yung square root of 5. So itong square root of 5, hindi siya perfect square. So ilalagay natin yan sa irrational numbers. Itong cube root of 6, so ang 6 ay hindi perfect cube. So dito natin siya ilalagay sa irrational. So dito square root of 5. Then dito naman cube root of 6. Yung negative 1, yan ay rational. Dahil siya ay isang integer. 0, rational din yan dahil siya ay isang integer. 2, yan ay irrational dahil siya ay integer. Square root of 4, ito ay rational dahil square root of 4 ay equal kay 2. So, pwede natin siyang ma-extract. Kaya dito natin nilalagay ang square root of 4. And then, yung 3.125. So, since nag-terminate siya, dito siya ilalagay. 3.125. Itong 7, so rational din yan. Dahil integer. Next, itong square root of 4 over 9. So, makikita nyo, 4 is a perfect square and 9 is also a perfect square. So, pag extract natin yan, that is 2 over 3. So, ang square root of 4 over 9 ay rational number. Square root of 4 over 9. And itong negative 2/3, yan ay irrational numbers. But ang 0.33, so repeating decimal yan din ay irrational numbers. Dot. Ibig sabihin ng dot ay nag-repeat yan. 12 is irrational. 4 over 5, so fraction form, that is rational. And then itong pi, yan ay hindi rational. Dahil kung babalikan natin, ang value ng pi ay 3.14, so on so forth. Hindi nag-repeat, hindi din nag-terminate. Kaya dito siya, pi. So itong last, so makikita nyo naman, terminating decimal. So pwede natin gawing fraction into mix kasi meron tayong value ng whole part. So 2.76812. Again, that's it.